do I apply for PhD in Germany? What qualification do I need in order to admit to a program in Germany? There, if you plan for PhD program, then it all depends on the professors for the PhD admissions. So it's better if you plan for a PhD, you go to Germany with, for double masters. After doing masters, they shortlist for you for the PhD program. So, and if you want to direct apply for PhD, then try to search some professor like through the social media, and they can guide you for the PhD applications. Ma'am, I'm doing my GNM. I want to go to Germany. Okay, for nursing, yes. So, if you plan to go in Germany, so where as a nurse profile, there are main two requirements. Nursing skills, and number two is German language. Nursing skills like you done GNM or BSc nursing, you are eligible to do job in Germany as a nurse profile, because they want your 3 years of involvement in the same profile. According to their calculate your hours, then you are eligible. And second requirement, German language. German language 3 levels, A1 into B1. It's mandatory to complete 3 levels from your home country. So when you complete these 3 levels from home country, and after that you are eligible to do job in Germany as a nurse profile. And after reaching Germany, starting salary package sometime 2400 euros. If you complete B2 level, then starting package salary 3400 euros monthly. Okay, what are the nursing process in Germany? How can I earn? If you are a 12th student, then nursing hospital possible. If you done GNM like nursing diploma, then also nursing job possible. If you done BSc nursing graduation in nurse profile, then also you are eligible for nursing jobs in Germany. For this, only the complete German language, then you are eligible to do job in Germany as a nurse profile. What are the main requirements to study abroad in Germany? If you plan to study in Germany, then main requirement, only and only one main requirement, German language. Try on its language. Once you start learning its language, after completing C1 level, you are feel like you are a king in Germany. German market welcomes you at every level. I want to do bachelor in architecture in Germany, so what's the process? If your plus 2 subjects are like commerce related mathematics, then yes, you are eligible for bachelor in architecture. Also like physics PCM, then you are eligible. Then second requirement is language and also preparatory program, that is 13-year education. So if you want to study program in English language, yes, we have an option, and the program going to be start in the September. Deadline of this preparatory program is 15 July. Deadline is so close. So if you are seriously interested, then coordinate with us. We help you for the registration process for this English preparatory program. You can say that English student free program. You can say that 13-year education. If you want to do this 13-year education in English language, and after that you want to do your bachelor's in English language in public universities according to desired course, then please register fast. Deadline is 15 July. Can I go Germany only to learn German language? Yeah, possible. Language. After completing language, you have not other option to stay there more. There is no other option to extend the to convert your language with into any other option. So there is no option to, you have to come back. So it's better to go to Germany on the basis of bachelor's or master's. According to there, you have many options to extend your visa and stay there. Okay, what about MBA courses, ma'am? Please explain. MBA courses, like you can say that masters in MBA kind program specialization. Like in India, we are doing MBA in finance, marketing, MBA in management according to our specialization. So if you want to do MBA, then MBA only possible in like private or English language. So if you want to do masters according to your specialization, then yes, possible these courses in public universities also. We have a lots of options for master's applications, for bachelor's applications in English taught, German taught. We always. So if you guys are seriously interested, then try to contact us for detailed counseling, one-to-one counseling sessions. Intakes are going to be start soon, so registration are open and registered fast if you are seriously interested for the coming intakes. If yes, then from there itself can I start my further study program? Yeah, I already explained. Yes, language courses, language visa is possible, but language visa is not having any option. So it's good to fly from here on the basis of bachelor's and master's visa. According to that, you easily get an option to extend your visa. Can I stay in Germany after my graduation? Yeah. After completing your graduation, there is a post-study work permit of 18 months. Like you can say that for 18 months your visa will be extended to search job in whole Europe. It's a Schengen visa. So you have lots of options to search and 18 months are enough to search a job in German market if you have a German language certificate in your hand and also you have any degree from the German university. Ma'am, which is better, German taught or English taught? Always German taught. But if you still want to enter in Germany with the help of English taught, then yes, we have options. But I always prefer that you plan to enter in Germany with the help of German taught, with the help of German language. If you German language in detail, then Germany welcomes you at each and every level, like at the time of part-time job, at the time of university applications, at the time of company interviews, at the time of internship. At every step, these language certificates help you to increase your credits. Any more query? Hi Ritesh. Hi Ritik. Hello everyone. I already missed 2-3 hello guys. Sorry, actually I'm busy in replying queries. What about the tuition fees at education institute in Germany? You can say that like if you plan to study in German public universities, then education tuition fees is zero. So when you plan to enter in German public university, then there is no need of tuition fees. Only there is a amount you required for your living cost, nothing else. Do we have PhD options? PhD possible in Germany, but we have no option for PhD admissions. Sorry. For PhD admissions, try to search direct professor contacts from social media if possible. Otherwise, we always suggest go from here for double masters, triple masters. After studying master's degree, then the PhD professor shortlist for you for the PhD program there. If it is mandatory for international student to pass IELTS in order to enroll on a study, yes, IELTS, if you want to enter in Germany with the help of English taught program, then IELTS is mandatory. Like English taught bachelor's, English taught master's sometimes, so IELTS is mandatory. Do we have a fashion designer or gaming like courses available? Yes. W courses are also possible. Like if you done your 12th with commerce subjects, then these W courses are possible. And W course student colleague program also possible in English language, and after this your desired course also possible in English language in public universities. Like if you want to study bachelor in game designing, then this course is possible to study in English language from public universities. Granted admission in public universities in English language according to your desired course. If your 12th is with commerce background, or sometimes it takes PCM background. Can we move for primary study? I mean after, yeah, yes. We also have an option that if you plan to move to Germany after 8, then yes, we have an option to study there. 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th, 12th, all the education is free of cost. We have a hostel facilities proper there, and but all the studies end in German language. If you want to know more details regarding this, then contact me. I can share you the proper website link. Go and study there, and after that you can take decision. Any more queries? Please pass time here only for more 2 minutes. If anyone wants to communicate with me, join, want to discuss one-to-one session, because on Insta only comments are possible. So if you want to communicate with me regarding your profiles, regarding your German studies, future plans for Germany, then join us around 5 p.m. I'm live on Zoom also for answering your all questions. For Zoom meeting link, please contact our executives from where you get the link of our this Insta live. And if you not having any link of our executive or Career Talks team, then drop a Instagram message through a messenger, then I can share you that Zoom meeting link. Okay, I guess I reply all queries. Please fast. If you have any more query, I am here only for 1 minute more. Any more queries? Thank you, ma'am. Always welcome. Okay, that means queries are finished. Good. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining this live session. And if you still have any more queries, then join us again tomorrow at 4 p.m. I'm always live at 4 p.m. daily, Monday to Saturday, and maybe this week only possible Monday to Friday, and also daily 5 p.m. I'm live at Zoom sessions. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please share your number. My contact details are 836-8027-663. And we are our office in Delhi, Dwarka Sector 7. You can search Career Talks from Google. You get all proper details. Okay then. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, welcome here. I think that you are writing any query. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.